Alright, this is our NRI creek. It's right in front of our house and there's so many flamingos. Can you see? My god. Go close. Oh, beautiful. They are all pink flamingos right across our house. There's a beautiful creek and it's a month of April 17 today, April 17. We are in lockdown because of COVID-19. Beautiful creek. Zoom out a little bit. Zoom out. Look at that pink patch. Pink patch. And this across is beautiful. They look so beautiful. Arush, you want to say something?
Yes, they are so beautiful. I've never seen so many flamingos in my life.
Oh, you see every year, no? Zoom out and just show the...
No, today there are many.
Yeah,
especially many. Never.
This is the season when they migrate from Gujarat to Bombay. And this is the creek. In front they are making a bridge. Zoom in a little bit to see a bridge. Zoom in. This is a bridge. Oh wow, lovely. This is going to be like a